In this video, I'll discuss more ways to use if-else constructs. Java offers many powerful ways to test conditions, and if-else statements are one important method. If-else statements are a necessary part of programming, but did you know you can chain if statements to provide for multiple conditions? The chained if statement connects multiple conditions together into a single construct. It often contains nested if statements, and while it has its uses, it tends to be confusing to read and difficult to maintain. This code example demonstrates how to use a chained and nested if to determine the number of days in a month. We use the double pipe as a logical OR to separate the test conditions. Lines 1 and 2 deal with the 31-day months. On line 5, we use a nested if to test for month 2, February, and we check whether it's a leap year to determine whether it's 28 or 29 days. And on lines 10 and 11, we check for months with 30 days. You can chain if and else constructs together to state multiple outcomes for several different expressions. The syntax for a chained if-else construct is shown here. Note that each of the conditions is a Boolean expression. Code block 1 represents the lines of code that are executed if condition 1 is true. Code block 2 represents the lines of code that are executed if condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. Default code represents the lines of code that are executed if both conditions evaluate to false.